So this is the Veritas insert vise that requires a plunge router to mount it into my bench. I ordered the WEN Plunge Router, and this is the unboxing of it. Hi guys, so I've got my bench and I want to put a inset Veritas vise in it, and I don't have a plunge router, so I saw a cheap one on Amazon and I ordered it. I ordered the WEN kit. It's a plunge router and it's supposed to have a fence and everything in it. And I ordered it just so I could install this Veritas inset bench vise. So I want to do an unboxing of it. I hope you like it. Hope it's informative. We don't know till we get into it. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the way the package came from Amazon. And have a hit of the old Java. It's early in the morning here. Well, it's not real early, but I slept in. I hope this is a good investment. Okay, this is really nice. Let's get rid of these. So this is a pretty nice case, blow molded. You know, it's not an anvil case. For all you guys that aren't musicians, an anvil case would be road cases. Let's see what's in here. All right. Let's just do a quick inventory. Okay, these rods are for the guide. Let's pull this baby out and see what we've got. Here is something. We don't know what it is yet. So we've got the router and depth gauge. I have a few WEN tools and I'm pretty happy with them. So they're poor man's tool. I'm going to use this one time. I'm not going to go spend $600 or $500 or even $300 on a plunge router. This was like $88 on Amazon. And it's, wow, it looks pretty nice to me. So I'm going to build a track for the Veritas, not a track, a groove for the Veritas route, the Veritas insert vise to fit in. And that's what this whole operation is about. So, dust collection, that looks pretty good. I like this case. Collet wrench. Trying to remember where everything goes. This is, I don't know where this goes. It was just kind of flopping around in there. Don't even know what it is. I'm sure this is a guide. So here's the edge guide. Goes in here. All right, now we're running into some trouble. Okay, bad design here. You have to have the depth gauge at a certain spot to turn these. I guess I can live with that. This is actually put together pretty well. This is pot metal. I don't think it's going to withstand much. Alright, so now you get the idea. So we can do some repeatable cuts. I'm pretty happy with this. Is this built well? No. It's, but I just need it for a few things, and I think it's going to be just fine. Okay, there we go. Let's fire this up, see if it runs. I think I've got this wrong. Okay, this is the way. Okay, that takes a little while to ramp up. The only plunge router I've used was a Milwaukee that my friend had in another city, and it fired right up. So anyway, that's the unboxing. I don't know what else to put on here. I hope you enjoyed that. I've never seen this router, so we'll get her posted on YouTube. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you further on down the trail.